Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. My name is Pilipina. Batang Creek from Senior Division. Sino na mga tao? Pilipina! Thank you very much.
Kagwapa ba, Orange?
From basketball, Midget Division, Tropang Bard!
And I am proudly representing Barca!
Next candidate from basketball senior division ng Tropang Bard.
Have a pleasant day, everyone. I am Jandy Gonzalez, representing Tropang Bad's Senior Division.
Candidate number 5 from basketball junior division from Team Incognito.
Hi everyone, my name is Kimberly Amag, 17 years old, from representing Team Ignita. Nag-iwan na isang kasabihan, wala ang pinaglalaruan, hindi kaming mga babae.
Division of Basketball, Batang Creek!
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Angela San Pedro, proudly and lovely representing Team Batang Creek.
Next candidate, candidate number 7, Midget Division of Basketball from Tropang Bard.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Akisha Esquita, representing Tropang Bas from Midget Division.
Okay, Team Breezy, Midget.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Denzel Megan Del Valle Diaz, proud and loudly representing BREZY Breezy. Senior Division.
Next is candidate number 11, Batang Creek Junior Division.
Magandang hapon, Batang North! Ako nga po pala si Cristelyn Colete, proudly representing Batang Creek.
Good evening to all. I am Ella May Javier representing Boleras.
Candidate number 13, Basketball Senior Division, Bandana.
Good evening, Barangay North Danghari. The name is Elaine D. Perdilia, proudly representing none other than Team Bandana.
Next, candidate number 14 from Junior Basketball Division, Team Moron.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is G. Rose Billion, representing Moron.
Number 15, Basketball Senior Division, the Villains.
Good evening, Batang North Danghari. Standing in front of you is a representative from Team Dividends, and I thank you.
Gobilang! Isa pa daw ate, isa pa daw.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dimple Ligno. You can search me. By the way, I'm representing the team kung saan pinagsama-sama ang pinakamagagawin, pinakagwapo, at naglalaro sa NBA, Team Gobilang!
Women.
Shut him down. Y'all thought we killed him with the last one. Remix. DB, Diaz Brothers, no problem. Pitbull, check that out.
Good evening, North Danghari. I'm Malia Joy Fabi, 18 years old, proudly representing Team Etchway from Women's Division. At naniniwala ko sa kasabihang, aanhin mo pa ang sarap kung nasa akin na ang lahat.
Pwede na sa atin, Pinuntot sa Magic Sarap. Candidate number 18 from Women's Volleyball Division, Team Ace Blazers.
sa isang kasabihan, sa bawat tagumpay ay may nag-iigit na kapitbahay.
For basketball, midget division, Maroon.
A pleasant evening, everyone, especially to our Batang North ng Hari and to our lovely judges. I am Lawrence Alnaromin, representing Moron Midget Division.
Molaves!
Now get me through the bottles, 'cause you know it don't stop. Drink it up, sober as a rummy. Be acting like they drunk, be acting like they drunk, acting like they drunk. We're sober 'cause I'm rummy, they be acting like they drunk.
I am lovely fellow Paniwan, a reigning Mutya ng Taguig North ng Hari 2024, representing Mulave Midget Division.
Set the crib, this is how we live. Every single night.
Team Echiwea! Pinakamasikip! Pinakamasarap! Pinakanilalasaan ng lahat ng lalaki sa barangay ay Team Echiwea! Pinakamalika! Pinakamunyeka! Pinakamasikip!
Anak ni Josie!
Good evening, everyone. My name is Abbas Albuda. Representing Echiwa.
Ako'y di kagandahan mo na.
Kainin niyo!
Again, from Team HY, Duda!
Pag hindi yan nanalo, ewan ko na lang.
More pa, more! More pa, baby! Again, Team HY!
And last but not the least, candidate number 22 from Basketball Junior Division, Molave!
speechless. Zone out so much attention. Scream my own in the building and they're watching. I know this, I'm rocking, I'm running.
Anak ni Archie. Kapatid ni Palen.
Ayan, akala.
Men's volleyball ng NDH Vargas. Ayan, Malika.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Judges, I am Janelle Kaina Kamaya, 16 years old, proudly representing NDH Barca!
Ayan, thank you so much. Gusto niyo pa bang rumampa sila ulit? Ano, mula road 1 hanggang road 2? Pwede. Ayan, tawagin uli natin isa-isa ang ating mga muse.
Okay, candidate number 1, Lady Warriors. Candidate number 2, Senior Division ng Batang Kubik. Candidate number 3, Midget Division ng Tropang. Candidate number 4, Senior Division ng Tropang. And candidate number 5, Junior Division ng Kumiko.
One, two, three, smile. Thank you so much.
Next, from Midget Division ng Batang Kuwait. Men's Volleyball ng NDH Barca. Midget Basketball ng NDH Barca. Ay, hindi, sorry, hindi pala. Men's Volleyball ng NDH Barca. Midget Division ng ATH Barcaps. Midget Division ng Breezy. And then Junior Division ng Tropang Tal.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Wala na aura-aura tapos na yung scoring. Junior Division ng Batang Creek. Volleyball Women's ng Boleras. Basketball Senior Bandana. Basketball Junior Division Moron. And Basketball Senior Division De Villains. mag-away. I-AI ko kayong nagsasabunutan. Ipapa-edit ko kayo. Yan, thank you so much. Next is basketball, junior division ng Gobilang. Volleyball, women's, HCY. Volleyball, women's, Ace Blazers. Basketball midget, Moron. Basketball midget, Molave. Gobilang. Go on. Yan. Paolo, Maura, tapos na yung criteria for judging. Picture na lang. I-edit namin kayo nagsasabunutan. Ayan. And for the last group, Team Molave Junior Basketball and Gobilang. Organizers, are we good?
Ayan! Sino sa inyo ang best viewers?
Ready na ba kayong malaman kung sino ang ating best views ngayong gabi?
Announcement na tayo ng winners sa ating best viewers. Okay? For our second runner-up, will receive certificate and token. Our second runner-up is candidate number
6!
candidate number 21 from Team HCY Women's Volleyball. Men's division.
Para naman sa ating first runner-up, ang ating first runner-up, walang iba kundi galing sa Men's Volleyball NDH Bar Cup. Yes, ikaw nga!
Congratulations!
Congratulations, Rina! Maraming salamat SK North, daang hari sa ating Gilas 2025. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Ayan. Thank you so much sa effort nyo sa pag-organize ng ating Gilas 2025.
Ayan, ang ating best news for Gilas 2025 is ang ating best news for Gilas 2025 is none other than
Drum roll, please.
candidate number 22 Junior Basketball Division Team Molave. Team Plano.
Cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out. Maraming salamat sa ating mga candidates ngayong gabi.
Yes, na-appreciate namin ang effort,
Gaganda.
your beauty, ang kagandahan.